The Nizari Ismaili state faced numerous challenges during its existence, including attacks from rival Muslim factions and the invading Mongols. Despite these challenges, the state managed to survive for over 150 years, thanks in part to the strategic leadership of Hasan Sabbah and his successors. Today, Hasan Sabbah is remembered as a complex and controversial figure in Islamic history. He is often portrayed as a ruthless leader who used violence and propaganda to achieve his goals. However, he was also a patron of the arts and scholarship, and left behind a legacy of intellectual and literary contributions. Hasan Sabbah's influence can still be seen in the modern world. The word assassin is derived from the Arabic word hashishin, which was used to describe the members of the Nizari Ismaili state. The assassins have also been referenced in various works of popular culture, including video games and movies. Overall, Hasan Sabbah's legacy is a testament to the complex and multifaceted nature of Islamic history. Hasan Sabbah is also remembered for his impact on the cultural and religious landscape of the region. He is credited with introducing the concept of taqiyya to the Nizari Ismaili movement. Taqiyya is the practice of dissimulation or concealment of one's beliefs or identity, particularly in the face of persecution. This concept was adopted by the Ismaili community and has since become an important part of their religious practice. In addition, Hasan Sabbah's patronage of art and architecture helped to foster a unique Ismaili aesthetic. The Nizari Ismaili state was known for its elaborate fortresses and palaces, many of which still stand today. These structures were designed to be both functional and beautiful, with intricate mosaics, stucco work, and calligraphy. Hasan Sabbah's impact on the Ismaili movement and the region as a whole is still being studied and debated by scholars today. His legacy raises important questions about the use of violence and propaganda in political and religious movements, as well as the role of patronage in the development of art and architecture. Regardless of one's opinion on Hasan Sabbah and his methods, his story remains a fascinating and compelling chapter in the history of the Islamic world. His legacy continues to inspire writers, scholars, and artists, and his impact on the region can still be felt today. Hasan Sabbah's teachings and ideas continue to be studied and debated by scholars and intellectuals today, who seek to understand their relevance in modern times. Some have argued that his ideas of social and political justice, as well as his advocacy for education and intellectual thinking, are still important and applicable in modern times. In particular, Hasan Sabbah's emphasis on education and intellectual thinking remains relevant today. He believed that knowledge and education were essential for personal growth and development, as well as for the advancement of society as a whole. This emphasis on education is reflected in the Nizari Ismaili community today, which places a strong emphasis on education and intellectual development. Furthermore, Hasan Sabbah's teachings on social and political justice continue to be relevant in modern times. He believed in the importance of social justice and equality, and advocated for the rights of marginalized groups. Overall, Hasan Sabbah's legacy is a complex and multifaceted one that continues to inspire and influence people today. His impact on the development of the Ismaili movement, as well as his ideas on education, social and political justice, and intellectual thinking, are still relevant and applicable in modern times. Hasan Sabbah's legacy has also sparked interest in the study of the history and culture of the Ismaili community.